Gunjan Saxena. While Janhvi Kapoor's acting received mixed reviews, it was the screenplay that got slammed by people. The biopic showed gender discrimination, but Gunjan Saxena's batchmates came forward and revealed that it is not true at all. Dangal. The climax of the movie showed Geeta lagging behind her opponent and later won the match. But it was not the case in reality, as Geeta Phogat managed to win every round and never lagged behind, as she won by 8-0. Airlift. The movie is completely based on fiction and is only inspired from true events. The makers modified the facts completely. In reality, when Kuwait fell, India's External Affairs Minister reached Kuwait within few days. Uri, the surgical strike. In this movie, a drone in the form of birds was shown, which was used in the surgical strike, but reality is different. Strike took place in 2016, whereas this drone was launched in 2017. So, it was a misleading information. Sanju. Ranbir Kapoor did a phenomenal job in the biopic of Sanju, which was made to whitewash the bad image of Sanjay Dutt. There were sufficient evidences that proved Sanjay Dutt's crimes, but the movie decided to show him as an innocent. Neerja. The movie showed how brave was Neerja Bhanot, who single-handedly saved several lives from the hijackers. But few other crewmates from the same flight think that it was not Neerja, only one who saved lives. Mary Kom. In Priyanka Chopra's portrayal of Mary Kom, it got showed that boxer did street boxing for money. But in reality, she never did boxing to earn money, and also her father never opposed her passion for boxing. The Dirty Picture. The movie is the biopic of South Indian actress Sunil Smita, and Vidya Balan's performance was amazing in this movie. But the way how Silk takes her own life was shown wrong in the movie. Surma. Diljit Dosanjh played the role of hockey player Sandeep Singh, who got paralyzed after getting shot during a train journey. While the movie showed Sandeep scoring multiple goals at the finals, leading Team India to win the trophy, it was not true. It was Sandeep Singh's leadership qualities, several assists, and his understanding of the game that helped India to lift the trophy. Azhar. The cricketer was accused of match fixing, and later in his biopic, makers tried to whitewash his image. Azharuddin himself confessed that he took money and fixed match, but in the biopic, he was shown as a hero. It was shown in the movie that he took 1 crore to make the fixer stay away from the other players.